This model kit review is of the Cutty Sark, and it's a 1/350th scale model. Here's a painting. This is by Academy. On the side here we have pictures of the finished model. And don't really have any other details anywhere. So let's have a look inside. Okay, let's have a look at our sprues. Let's start with this one here. This looks like this is our hull. So here's the left and right side with lots of surface detail. Wood and copper is what it's supposed to be. And over here we've got the deck and some other parts there, a little lifeboat I guess, and some masts. We've got some other lifeboats here. This is part of our stand. And then the masts. And then we've got our sails and lots of rigging. You're going to need it. So all in all, it's actually a fairly simple kit. The rigging is what's going to make it difficult. But here you can see our billowing flags. And then here's the rest of the, I'm sorry, not flags, sails. The rest of the sails. And we've got some netting. I guess that's what you're going to be climbing up on. And then here's our rigging, which really just looks like nylon cord. Let's have a look at our instructions here. There's our stand, very simple looking, and here's how to put it together. So, as you said, very simple looking model. And then here's the rigging. So, lots of rigging. I mean, that's what this the ship was essentially held together with, the masts and sails. They're the extra little sails in the middle. So, very simple model kit. The details really is what's going to make this one.